Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel Every Corner of World. Today I am going to show you what's in my travel makeup and hygiene bag, which I generally carry everywhere. As you know, I love to travel, and whenever I go, I always make sure that I will carry two of my bags. One is like with full of makeup kit, and another one is with my hygiene kit, because I am that kind of traveler who loves to travel side by side, who loves to use makeup and maintain her hygiene. So today I am going to show you what you can pack in your makeup as well as hygiene kit, because you know that in today's world it is very much important to take care of your hygiene part as well as your safety kit, everything like in under one box. So I am the one who doesn't prefer to carry always the suitcase or something like that. I'm kind of like always used to carry my backpack. So I always use packing cube, because packing cube is something where you can put everything together, which is not comes like a messy things. So it is always very much important to take care of all your belongings in a proper way, proper adjustable way. Today let's talk about what's in my travel makeup and hygiene kit.
The first thing, I prefer to carry a sunscreen lotion, which is very important. Next, I am always using a primer which stick the makeup long lasting. After that, I use actually a moisturizer, a few makeup brush, few of my jewelry. I love to wear earrings and all, as you know. And I prefer to carry a mascara with me, which gives a good look. And yes, for foundation, I prefer to carry pouch foundation. Here I am carrying Estee Lauder L'Oreal pouch foundations, and then a face toner, which is very much important to remove your makeup, like makeup loose powder, a little bit of eyeshadow, which gives you the tint as well, and lots of tissue paper, very important, a perfume or a body spray, which is my hot favorite, lipsticks and lip gloss. I love to wear a lot of lip gloss, and sometimes lipstick as well. So yes, bunch of lipsticks. A lip butter. Sometimes it is very much important to hydrate your lips. A few sponge, because sponge are one who can use while you can make up. Lip eyeliner, very much important. One eyebrow pencil, because I need to look better. One face wash always important. A small mirror, because I have no idea where to get proper mirror knot, so I always carry my own mirror, small mirror. Lot of rubber bands, where to use I really don't know, but yeah, sometimes. Mummy's special Boroline antiseptic cream, safety pins. It's important to carry a little bit of safety pins if it is needed. Little bit of small clutcher.
So these are all my travel makeup products which I prefer to carry whenever I travel, wherever I travel. So now let's talk about my hygiene travel kit, which basically a very important things for me, and I hope you also carry your hygiene travel kit. If not, please do carry a small pouch where you can keep all your hygiene related products, because today's scenario it is very important to carry your own hygiene travel kit whenever and wherever you are traveling.
I carry one sanitary pad, garbage bag, panty liners, and pee stand and pee. If proper toilet is not available, then it is very much useful. Then mosquito repellent patch. You don't know where to travel and where is mosquito. Intimate wipes, very important, because whenever you travel you have to take care of your hygiene part as well. And then sweat pad, because sometimes it is important that you might not take bath, so sweat pad is always a savior. Lots of like mask, considering today's scenario, sanitary napkin, and one kind of like lot of like sanitizers. That was sanitizers. A pee safe toilet spray, which is very much important. Toilet spray, Medimix soap. Sometimes soap is very much important to clean your hair and hygiene part.
So these are my hygiene travel kit, which I generally prefer to carry everywhere. If you have any suggestions, or if you want to add anything like in my travel makeup kit or in my travel hygiene kit, please drop suggestions in the comment section. If you yet not subscribe my channel, do share, subscribe and like, and also comment. मिलते हैं बहुत जल्दी नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेकर, बहुत ही जल्दी. तब तक अच्छे से घूमो, अच्छे से खाओ, पियो, स्वस्थ रहो, stay safe, safe travel, and yes, wish you a very very advanced happy new year. I hope 2021 will bring lots of happiness in your life. So bye bye.